The Michelle Danner Acting Studio and the Los Angeles Acting Conservatory offer classes in the heart of Los Angeles, California. We developed a philosophy for actors that helps you draw upon all different acting techniques, including Sandy Meisner, Lee Strasberg, Stella Adler, Michael Chekhov, and Konstantin Stanislavski to create your own acting toolbox, the Golden Box. You will learn from working actors, directors, and producers, and once you have a strong foundation to build on, you will be able to get experience in the professional acting world with auditions for theater, features, and TV shows. We offer short-term acting courses as well as a long-term acting conservatory for 3, 6, or 12 months and up to 3 years to work in Hollywood. We look forward to welcoming you and seeing you at our school.